everything you wanna know.
Kenia and there's
Kevin.
I didn't think you were sure.
Your battery.
He was hesitating a little bit. He was like, there's Kevin. Anyway, we just finished our first full day in Vietnam, half of which was spent sleeping because it took us 2 days to get here and I was tired. You're tired? Mm-hmm. But anyway, so we've been here, we took a little nap, and then we went and we tasted some of the food that Hanoi has to offer. So our guide from Mr. Lin Adventures, Louis, took us around Hanoi Old Quarter today, and you know, there was just a lot to see. You know, I had a little sensory overload.
I wanted to get a nice long one.
Oh my God. Okay. Ah, what is it?
It's melon.
Oh, melon. Oh.
It's a durian.
Oh, that's what it smells like. Yeah. Oh my God, durian. Oh, it does really smell bad.
Yeah, durian is the famous fruit in Vietnam because Vietnam we have a tropical weather.
Oh.
Tropical weather makes it's a lot of kind of fruit.
All right, that smells foul.
Durian, one of most of the fruit is very fancy.
Anyway, there was like lots of stuff we did tonight that we haven't done ever. And so we're gonna play I Never. And I'm gonna start. I'm gonna say 2 things that I did today or that I felt today or whatever. But you guys get the picture. There's 2 things that I'm gonna say. I got my absolute. So 2 things that I'm going to talk about that I've never did before that I did today. And my first thing, I'm going to say, I never seen so many motorbikes. All going in all kinds of different directions with no stoplight, no stop sign, and then peppered in between all of the motorbikes are these big vans and nobody's paying attention. Nobody has any rules and everybody are just doing whatever they want to do. And coupled with that, I'm going to just compound my I never been so afraid for a street. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, there are motorbikes everywhere with no street signs.
And go to the street in Vietnam. You must go to slow, okay? Because you don't waiting out there, all people stop for you, never stop for you.
Okay.
But we can go slow.
Oh God, we just crossed the street. Okay, it's just a lot of activity here. Oh gosh, crossing the street again. Slow, keep going. Confidence. That's the trick to crossing the street. So that was my first I never. What's your first I never?
Egg coffee. Didn't need nothing in from where we got it from. From what I understand, that was probably one of the best places over here.
And the oldest.
Yeah.
Look, he's mixing his. I'm not doing so good with mine. Wow. That is very good. It almost tastes, it's very
Ngon.
Yeah, yeah. Ngon. Good. Nyong. It's delicious.
You can go anywhere and everywhere you wanna go. You can go anywhere and everywhere you wanna go. You can go anywhere and everywhere you wanna go. You can go anywhere and everywhere you wanna go.
And the thing about the egg coffee, I did a little research on the egg coffee. Can I give a little knowledge here?
It's supposed to be on my.
All right, I'm sorry. Oops, go ahead. Egg coffee, keep
Go
going. Well, the one thing I learned about the egg coffee is it came about, I guess, maybe in one of those world wars. I can't remember. It was, I don't know, the French War, China War, one of those wars that Vietnam was going through. And cream was, people couldn't get cream. So they started whipping up egg to put it into the coffee to substitute for cream. So that's how egg coffee came about.
I like ice cream. I'm not, for being a chef, some things I do fix a lot of stuff, but that wasn't me.
Okay.
Plus, I was really full.
Yeah.
So
I think your never is that you never had mango sticky rice or
No.
bean curd ice cream with all that weird
ice
fruit on it.
cream.
Okay, we just had our egg coffee. It was delicious. No, I think that's what you say. Good, no. But we are not done. But it is hectic around here, guys. But so far, having a lot of fun. Walk it off, baby. Walk it off. So that's the mango with sticky rice?
Yeah.
And then what is that?
Ice cream.
Ice cream. What kind of ice cream is that?
It's ice cream or
It's got some kind of little jelly, just for us to taste. You don't have to have it all.
it is down there have the green sticky rice.
Yeah. I was wondering why is it green? And the sticky rice, I mean, it almost has like the consistency of like a porridge or something like that. I mean, it's really, really sticky. You know? Good, good. A coconut on top?
Looks like it. Strands of
That's green sticky rice. Yum. That's good. And then some kind of ice cream. Oh, really? Ice cream. There's ice in the cream.
Yeah, ice cream and some fruit.
There's ice here. Huh? I think it's like some kind of jelly, like a jackfruit or something like that. So let's try that. Now that's good.
That's definitely coconut.
Yeah. There's coconut in here too. And this is, oh, look at all the fruit here. Oh my goodness, look at all the fruit. See all the fruit? And it's got ice in it, actually. So it's
Kiwi.
cold. Yeah.
Kiwi.
Kiwi?
And have some the rice and this here some the leaf and the cook. Like it's so good. You missing is so good.
Not my favorite.
That's not your favorite?
I like the consistency of it in my mouth.
This has a lot of chewy stuff, and then a lot of hard chewy stuff, and then a lot of soft stuff, and then cream. There's a lot of different consistencies all at once, right?
Yeah, it's more of a tapioca kind of feeling in your mouth than that ice.
tasty. I like this too.
I mean, had I had a choice, I would have eaten more of the mango.
But my next never is I never had what?
Nothing.
I never had Bun Cha. Bun Cha. How do you say it? Bun Cha. I never had Bun Cha. And that was too bad because that was my favorite of the whole night. The Bun Cha. Am I saying it right? Bun Cha.
I don't think so. But
but what do we know about Bun Cha?
you know, that Michelle Obama and Barack loved it.
Yeah, the Barack Obama loved it. In fact, Barack Obama came here and had a meal with Anthony Bourdain, and they had Bun Cha.
Cho em 3 suất bún chả đấy.
Em ơi em gọi điện thoại chị trên gác với.
Ok. Người đẹp.
Bun Cha.
Bún chả.
Bun Cha. Bun Cha.
So long, but you take a salad here to meet there. Okay. You eating the salad first.
Yeah.
Okay.
Good.
And now noodle. Good there. Good there. And good pork.
Okay. All right. Well, here we go. You take the salad. Oh boy.
This one is like the meat.
Oh boy, I can't.
Not easy. No.
That?
And only people eating. So you just
Can I just use my finger?
You take the salad is one. Okay.
Yeah.
Take it one.
if you want this, eat in this one.
Yeah, finger. Yeah.
Be careful of chilies.
This is so hard.
The garlic is
Okay, let me have the cheese served like this.
Together meat. Take the meat together.
Oh my goodness.
Right.
Okay.
All right, that was good. Bun Cha, and that was delicious. And it had two kinds of meat. So it had the meatball, yeah,
Papaya.
papaya,
Noodle.
noodle.
And together it's pork barbecue, you see.
Yeah.
Together. And look me.
Yeah. Ooh. Gosh, there you go. It's delicious, let me tell you. What do you think, Kyle?
Very good. Very good.
That was good. I'm full.
You can go anywhere and everywhere you wanna go. You can go anywhere and everywhere you wanna go. You can go anywhere and everywhere you wanna go. You can go anywhere and everywhere you wanna go. You can go anywhere and everywhere you wanna go. You can go anywhere and everywhere you wanna go. You can go anywhere and everywhere you wanna go.
Well, that's it for us today. We have to go to bed because we have to get up way early in the morning tomorrow. Tomorrow we're going to do a real formal tour of the city. So we're going to see, a lot of the touristy museums and, Ho Chi Minh's memorial and all that stuff. So we got to get to bed and get rested up for that. But anyway, I hope you liked this video. Please, please, please subscribe to our channel. Press that thumbs button up to say that you like this video and leave a comment. We are here in Vietnam for quite a while, for almost 3.5 weeks. So there are going to be lots more videos. So come back and travel along and enjoy the country with us. Bye.
Bye.